Hey y'all, what's going on? This is Karen and Mr. Aiden. He just woke up from his nap and he's still a little sleepy. Yeah, he took a very short nap. Like half an hour, 40 minutes. Usually takes about a good an hour and a half to 2 hour nap a day. So we'll see while I'm talking if he can just try to snuggle up and go back to sleep. So I'm just going to update you with how my Christmas was. I know that you haven't seen any videos in like a month. I'm here. Obviously, I'm here. Um, okay, so I was very busy this Christmas season. If that was like a... Anyway, I was very busy this Christmas season. I had a lot of packages to send. I had a lot of items to wrap, a lot of gifts to wrap. Um, but as far as Christmas goes, I woke up about 7 o'clock in the morning. Took a shower, did all that, and my mom picked me up at 8 o'clock. And we went out. Well, my mom and my brother. Then we went out to Denny's. That's like a Christmas tradition every year. We go to Denny's for breakfast. And that flew by really quick. I always get the French toast slam or the French toast slugger. Oh, it's so good. I can have it right now actually. Um and they got what they wanted. They didn't have any pancake puppies, which is what we usually get. Um so breakfast was great. And then we go back to the house. We kind of relax for a little while. And then we open up our stockings. I kind of got shafted this year. But, it's just it's stockings. So it's okay. I did a good job picking some stuff out, though. Not to toot my own horn. Toot toot. I'm just in one of those weird moods. So we open up all our gifts. What I love about my family, and we've always done this ever since I can remember as more teens going into like adulthood and stuff, is that we open our gifts one at a time. We don't all rip through them. I'm sure if we had kids, young kids around, there's no really, young kids around us anymore, um, to just go through and ransack their presents and open everything at once. So we give the attention to the person who's opening the gift, and we talk about it for a second, and then the next person goes. So I opened up all my gifts. I had great gifts this year. I bought myself a lot of gifts from Kohl's and a lot of presents for me. Merry Christmas to me. I bought myself a brand new pocketbook. I bought myself some clothes. Bought myself some pajamas. I bought a lot of stuff for the babes. I didn't do any hauls just because I think that I was kind of convicted because I spent so much. I don't know. I just didn't do any hauls, but there's a lot of stuff still hanging up in the closet that has tags on it. So maybe I'll just take some stuff out and show y'all, a different day. After now, especially that I don't have so much to do, because right before Christmas I was so busy. So I get to my big present, and then it's a vacuum, which I was so excited. When you're, younger, you might ask for an iPhone or gadget or whatever you want to call it. No, when you're older and you have responsibilities, a vacuum is a very nice thing to come by. Kids get excited about iPhones, adults get excited about a vacuum. That's just how it goes when you get older. So I got that, and then my brother's like, Mom, do you need help? And she's like, Nope, I'm good. I'm like, Need help with what? They're like, Oh, we have one more present for you. I'm like, What? Really? I had no clue. No clue. So my mom brings out this brand new 55-inch Insignia TV. The TV that I had before that was a 36-inch. And this TV is huge. It is huge for me. So my brother and my dad bought it for me. So I'm very happy with it. Maybe in another day that I have more time, or just not in this video, I'll tell you all about the bells and whistles of the TV and all that good stuff. So I got that, and then I came home. That day I was cramping a lot in my body. I had a lot of muscle aches, a lot of fatigue in my body, so I didn't know if I could cook my turkey, but I did. I kind of burned it a little bit, just a teeny, no, it wasn't black, it was nicely brown, darker brown, but it was still really good. It was fall off the bone good. I mean, if they had turkeys right now at Hannaford for 49 cents a pound, I'd go buy another one. I still could eat some more turkey. I had turkey for Thanksgiving, I had turkey for Christmas, I could have turkey for Easter, I could have turkey for Halloween, I could have turkey for my birthday. Right now, I'm just kind of a turkey fiend. So, anyway, I had that. I didn't make all the fixings just because my body couldn't do it, physically. But I had that, and I had already made the stuffing the day before. So I had turkey, I had stuffing, I had homemade gravy, which was like so good, so good. And then I had a little bit of sweet potato casserole. And that was it. No veggies. I'm like, if I'm gonna pig out and hog out. Oh, and I had a couple of rolls with some cranberry sauce so I can make myself like a Thanksgiving, like a turkey sandwich, a hot turkey sandwich. So, really good. I'm about to be drooling right now. It was so good. So that was my Christmas. And then after Christmas, for New Year's, my friend came over. We watched a couple movies. See what else. Played a few games, stuff like that. And ever since then, pretty much, I've been going through depression. But I had no idea that I was going through a depression because I've been making myself so busy cleaning up and getting rid of things and still purging stuff that's in my apartment, and always like trying to just get rid of more stuff that I don't really need, that I haven't used in a long time, stuff like that. So I've been depressed. I don't want to talk about it. I don't want to talk about details. But I kind of, woke up one day and I'm like, I realized that I was sleeping a lot ever since like January 1st, 3rd, something like that. I've been eating a lot and sleeping a lot. Like I could like sleep for like 4 hours during the day and then like go to sleep at like 12 and wake up at like 9 and then go back to sleep till 11. So I don't know what that's all about. So I've been sleeping a lot and eating a lot, and so yeah. But I'm glad that I realized that I was going through it so that I could kind of wake myself up and start the process of getting out of the depression. So yeah. But I think there's always a lull after Christmas that kind of, you have so much expectations for Christmas. I always do. I always build it up to be something that it's really not. As much as I love God, and I am sold out for God, I kind of put too much emphasis into Christmas, into, kind of feeling like a kid, and all this stuff is going to happen, and it never lives up to what I expect it to be. So there's always a lull after Christmas. I don't know if that's with everybody, that's just with me. So yeah, that's what's happened. And I just haven't felt like editing videos. I did do a video with the girls, Katie, Leanne, and Charlotte, opening their Christmas gifts. They each got one gift. I did do a lot of shopping at Kohl's. Opened up a credit card. But I almost paid it off already because of with the stimulus. So at least I'm a good girl and I did that. Good girl, good girl. So yeah, I still plan on editing some videos that I did around Christmas. I do have a little bit of like videos from Thanksgiving and Christmas about like turkeys and stuff like that I'll edit, and even if it's not like a full video, just like little, I'll put it all together in one cute package, wrap it up, and put it up on YouTube. And it's going to go on my other channel, since this is my reborn channel. I have another channel, and I'm going to put it right here. That is my other channel, and I mostly do cooking, baking, talk about God a lot on that channel. So if you always want to go over to that channel, you can. So, yes, and Mr. Aiden here got a cute little Tigger for Christmas from Santa. Santa pies. This is huge. This is huge. He loves to jump on it all the time. He's not too much in a wild man mood right now. But I just want to say I'm sorry for not making content lately. I know that part of being a sub is liking the content that the person does and posting it often. So I want to apologize that I haven't done that lately. I don't know, I'm more of a hands-on reborn mommy off the camera lately for the past probably 6 to 8 months. Yeah, I don't know. Anyway, I have to go figure out what I'm going to have for lunch. And I just wanted to come on here and say hi and tell you what I've been up to. And yeah, I know that I might not look all that exciting or excited, but as much as I go through, God is so good. We serve an awesome God. We serve an amazing God. He is my everything. I love the Lord, and I love to lavish my love on the Lord. And so I might be a little tired right now. I've done this video like 3 times. I'm kind of sick of talking. So that's what you're seeing. It's not anything else, but just that. Just to let you know. That's it. So I'll try to edit those videos and get them up within a week. I'm going to try to at least do 2 videos a week this year. I really want to start doing that. At least 2 videos. And they don't have to be long videos. They can just... And I might get on IGTV again on Instagram and just do like a couple little minutes here and there. Just so you see the babes, the nursery, all that kind of stuff on a continuous basis. So... I love you lots, and God bless you, and God keep you, and I will be talking to you soon. Right, Aiden? Yeah, he's kind of subdued right now, but, I'll do a video with him being a more rambunctious dude when he has his high energy. Love you. Talk to you soon. Bye, guys.